Hi YouTube viewer, nice to meet you and welcome to my first video of my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talking about my project, which is about the machine that can change a gravitational energy into electrical energy. It quite sound good, yeah? Are it like as an impossible what for you, but it is possible in this time. So I'm going to tell you about that machine, how it works. Actually, I have one prototype of that machine, or I have a design of that machine like this. This machine looks like this, and that's the mechanism of that machine. This is the mechanism of that machine. So I will explain you how it works. Actually, suppose as this is the mass 1, this is mass 2. If they are in an imbalanced and they are balanced in an equilibrium condition, if I add a additional mass on a mass 1, then it will be goes down and this will be uplift, so it will be imbalanced. For this, if I add twice the additional mass of that masses of my first hand masses, mass 1, then it will be goes down and this will be uplift. And so in that you have to point out that in this mechanism, by this one, when the masses are imbalanced and it is attracted by the masses attracted by the force of gravity. In these cases the masses are imbalanced, yeah. When the masses are imbalanced, then the force of gravity will act and it will be attract that masses, the heavier masses, towards the center. And that case it will be the heavier masses will be goes down, by which it will create sometimes it will create a mechanical energy, and with that mechanical energy in that process, by unbalancing that process we will create energy. And for that I have one of the device which can change and restore the some amount of energy to imbalance, or to transfer the certain type of a mass from this hand to this hand to this hand to this hand, yeah, from mass 1 to mass 2, from mass 2 to mass 1. That's the mechanism, yeah. From if I transfer certain additional mass to that to my mass 2, then it will be goes down and this will uplift. If I transfer that additional mass of that my hand to mass 1, then it will be goes down and this will be uplift. By that we can think that it will be possible that if we create the additional mass is transferred from one body to another body, or from mass 1 to another mass, then it is possible that the unbalanced mass will be like in this mechanism. And by that mechanism we can create the mechanical energy, and by that mechanical energy we create the circular motion of that energy. And by that mechanical energy we generate electricity by use of dynamo and generator, whatever the devices be, it doesn't matter. And one thing you have to point out, that the additional masses in the mass 1, from mass 1 to mass 2 is transferred by the device which I have made. It's so much, it's so much very interesting, and it's out of the law of the physics, yeah. We have listened that the mass cannot be created, yeah, and the mass can be lost in our environment. What the mass can be not be created or be destroyed. Actually the mass is actually the energy, yeah. We assume that, or suppose that, we can see that E is equal to mc squared, the Einstein equation. It tells us that energy is directly proportional to the mass, yeah. Energy is directly proportional to the mass, with the constant which is product of the mass into energy is actually the product of mass into square of the speed of light, which is constant value, which have a constant value. Now in this mechanism, the unbalanced force or the unbalanced weight will go up down continuously, and in that case the energy will be created. By that mechanism, we create the energy, a mechanical energy, and we store that energy, and we run our dynamo or other electricity producing devices. So, my YouTube viewers, it's nice news for everyone and nice news for the human whole world. For that, this machine is going to create. This machine has been completed. I have spent almost 4 years in this project from my grade 7 to I am in A level, or actually I am the end of my AS level, and this machine is almost complete. Yeah, and it is very good news for the whole human civilization, because we by this machine we can create a almost very good environment in our world. By this we cannot be any, there will be no any pollution, or there will be no any leakage of energy. And if people can in Nepal, or actually I'm from Nepal, yeah. If and any of the country I like as Nepal, yeah, Nepal, India, China, and the poor country, or the most of the country where the electricity facility is not available, or the where the energy crisis is, where there's a more, there is demand of energy, there we can solve this problem, by which we can maintain our ecosystem and we balance. And one of the most advantages that by the maintaining the ecosystem, or by maintaining the green environment, we can create our ozone layer so much secure and protect. We can protect our ozone layer, and in coming future it will be our one of the most energy giving devices. Yeah, actually this machine is too much helpful for the human civilization. Please, if you like my video, if you like or unlike, please give me comment. Are you, if you like to interact with my project, if you like to interact with me about my project, or if you like to know more about this my video project, you can call me, or you can send an email in my email id. My email id is scientistps321@gmail.com. Once again, scientistps321@gmail.com. Okay, for this, have a